Hello folks, this is Projector Films Inc. You may be wondering why I'm back in my AM Sally 94 avatar and why I have my David voice back in. Well, it's because I felt like using my old avatar again for a while. But however, this might shock you, but recently, I found a message about grounded videos on the forum called Warning on Grounded Videos. Here is what it says.
Recently, we have been receiving an increasing numbers of complaints from users, who have been the subject of grounded videos from other users. Please note, that making grounded videos out of users is a form of cyberbullying, which violates our terms of use. This is a warning message to those users who have made these videos that if we do receive complaints against you, we can terminate your account without further notice. And any unused days on your subscription may not be refunded. So please delete all grounded videos now. Site admin.
So there you have it. This is not a joke, it's true. Comment on your reaction and or thoughts about this. This is Projector Films Inc. signing off.